Yeah, looks like we are live. And I mean, this initial thing kind of takes my time up, mate. Like, I should go check in Twitch that if I'm live or not, and the audio, everything is good. The offline is jack shit. Zero viewers. Yes, got it, bro. Got it. If I am online, please show me that I'm online. Yeah, the hmm. Actually looks like I'm being served the bites that I deserve finally. But need to check my audio. Just give me a minute. Yep, seems like audio is fine too. So welcome back to another stream, and yeah, I'm fuck you. Like why do I start to stutter at this point? Yeah, welcome back to another stream, my dear viewers. It sounds so seductive, for fuck's sake. I'm not a child, so fucking don't try to be a child. Yeah, yeah. Under base terms, what we are trying to do is trying to create our own HTTP server from scratch. And so far, we got nowhere than accepting a request. And yeah, like I'll show you the code. Code will convince you more better than my stupid idiotic explanation. And fun fact, I don't know jack shit about Go. So yeah, I'm trying to you know get better at Go, and I heard from folks that building a HTTP server from scratch is a good way to start about it. But I'm really not sure that I'm capable enough to build this. Yeah, but yeah, we'll figure stuff out on the way. Right now, the main pain is that I wanna write tests for it. So I don't know how test works in Go, but I wanna make sure that every time I don't need to go to my web browser or my terminal to call this call this port number, which is 8080. And yeah, hopefully I don't reveal any of my IP addresses in the way. I always do that shit. I always do that shit. Yep. Hey, Coderz99. Thanks for the follow, mate. Oh, that was done 5 days back. Fuck. My bad. Anyway, I mean, thanks is a thanks. Like, I should have seen you on said it the same day, but my bad. And let's go check out how tests work in Go. How tests work in Go. A written file name test.go, okay, where name correspond to the file with larger function. The test suffix is a standard Go convention enabling the compiler to overlook test files during the program compilation. Okay, so give me a few examples so that I can, you know, you can clone it in your machine by executing and Go unit test and code. Not really excited on that part. I just need an example to, you uh, know whether this is what's happening here. So yeah, not something I'm searching for right now. Writing your first test case code, okay, and hmm, test counter take function name counter equals to 10. Okay, error dot c dot. Okay, c is of type what? New counter 10. New counter 10. Where is new counter 10? Okay. I need a simple example. I don't need a complex one. Uh, yeah, go test command execute first test. Okay, in greeting test.go. Okay. Test hello name called greetings hello name with a name checking. Okay. Okay. Go test. Okay. Go test is the command to go. Okay. I go test. Oh, sorry, my bad. So this should probably pull up tests, but there are no test files. Fun. Yeah, go. Mm, nothing. Cause I don't know, ma. Okay, am I getting it wrong? This is not how comments work and go. My, who cares? Oh, my bad. Welcome to Dragon Festival. Package greetings. Um, okay, let's just pull this shit and see what it does so that I can, you know, figure it out. Yeah. Package. Can I? Yeah, server is main. I can ask for request breaker, or I can just write a function called which returns a string, and what it returns is that. Okay, hope I get yeah. uh Wait, what's the name of the function that I just gave? Do I need to make an export member out of it, like test hello? Yeah, hello. Hello, and two main arguments. Okay, no arguments. Two variables, but does not return error. I know. Oh, I'm if okay. What does test do in this case? If I take this thing out, uh, name want and message, name want and message, name test hello empty calls greeting, hello with an empty string, and as per my knowledge, I don't want to use that term, baby. So hello takes in a string, so I'll just make sure that I'll take in a input called input of type string. Can I write like this? And yeah, how does will this do? Not really sure, but I can check if this functions properly. I just need to call hello with great. Um, okay, that I mean, for a bit, just yeah, run main, main. Sorry, go run server. Uh, Go run server. Package server is not in. Did I just go run ls? Go run server. Package server is not in standard library. The fuck is wrong with this thing? 2 days I forget. Go now. Come on, mate. You're better than this. Yeah. Run. Main. Go. Did I just forget how to run go right now? Oh yeah, baby. Run a go file. Oh fucking hell. Main package. Okay, is this something that I did? Okay, git checkout. I still need to remove it. So how do I plus git uh, rest or restore? Yeah, I did a fucking git checkout. Sorry. Yeah, I'm really screwing this thing up bad for me. Server.go exists. Server.go test doesn't exist. Okay. Yeah. Sorry. Go run server. Yes, server seems to be running fine. Yeah, I did not forget what I was doing. Hopefully that's a great news. Ah, fuck my knee, mate. I had a long day. Hmm. I had a really long day. Yeah. Hmm. Can I need to first make sure that I want to send this request breaker into some other file and import it instead of, I mean, import is the word. Import is the word here. So, uh, how does files work in Go? Mm, not read and write. Not that kind of files. Working with files, no. Mm, um, how does imports work in Go? Okay. How to import local packages in Go? Yeah. Common dot router. Ito. So figure out the problem. Basically, Go starts path from. So I just need to add my app in front of packaging. That is the import should be. Okay. How do I access this random stuff? So rand string.go is inside utilities, and rand string is nothing but run the string basically. Um, Random string, huh? So what I do, I give my path to utility. Utility go get run. Okay. Package name is utilities. So just by naming utilities, I can access all these functions, which is really good. So should I work on github.com my org stuff, my package? Inside my package, there is utilities. Okay. I want to try this, sir. Uh, but can I just fucking hell, like I just want some random bullshit here, not. Yeah, baba, it's fine, mate. Yeah, don't. You shouldn't have problem being not used for a bit. You know. Println some GG. Wow, too many GGs today. Yeah, some GG. So if I go to my wow lib, and this is my handler. Inside handlers is I really complicated the shit out of it if I think about it right now. Yeah, I really did complicate the shit out of it. So I need to import handler. I'll just show hand. Yeah, hand would be imported. If I go to server and if I import slash up no http slash hand lib slash man, directive path, dude. Can I give directive paths here? I don't think so. I don't think so. But I have two layer abstractions. For fuck's sake. Like utils, inside the utils there is another bullshit. Well, yeah. The Russian in me walks out. Not Russian, by the way. Not a Russian, by the way. Yeah, put me. Dude, I'm dead. I'll try to figure this thing out for a bit. So all I need to do is I can just make it easy to follow. The fuck? Okay, I go to lib handler. Uh, I don't know what I did with my NeoVim, but I want to get my NeoVim back to good state at least. Yep, now it's in a good state. Debug bin. Can I just get rid of this, or no, let it be. Go mod http go sum. Ooh, protobuf, nice. Instead of handlers I can just write utils. Yep, for now I'll just name a directory utils, and inside utils I'll just write what do I call it? Give me a good name. Can I just pull this guy up and see what did he give? Utils. So utils is random. Okay, I'll just call my handler. Inside utils handler. Okay, inside handler. Inside handler I'll just say package handler. Hope I'm doing right. Package handler and function name. Oh, my bad. My bad. Oh. Yeah. Oh yeah. Utility handler.go and function name hello, and what hello does is return a dump shit string. Okay, makes sense. Function does nothing more than that bullshit. And now what do? I go to main, and then anywhere in the project would you export catalyzation? Okay, anywhere and then anywhere in your project you would use export capitalized functions for capitalized functions. Okay, utils dot random. I can just call utils just random, but I need to import utils. Okay, I need to import utils. Um, what's the path my boy gave? GitHub.com. Is the module name at the top of your Go mod? Okay, GitHub.com myorg. Okay, GitHub.com. TTP slash utils utils. No required provider. Okay, did I do something wrong? Yeah. No require module provided in package. Could not import. No require module provided in package. Okay. Not import. No. Yeah. Okay. The best way, go mod in it. Doing wrong, that's why it's not working. CD handler. Okay, wait. During the build, the compiler first looks into the vendor, the go path, then go root. So due to the sim link, VS Code go related to will also correct due to the sim link. Okay. What's my mistake here? Um, how difficult is it? Like, it shouldn't be that difficult. Could not org repo. Okay, pretty insane. What is the repo name? Try run go mod td in the root of your project. Okay, tidy. Uh, okay, HTTP not found. Oh, oh, my bad. There's a layer here, sir. Deep slash. UTILS. Not found. How do I import my local sits? Cat go dot mod. Okay, let me look at some videos for reference. Videos might be helpful here. Go import local packages. Okay. Too long. Too long. Okay. Should I turn my? I mean, I guess I'll. Doesn't make sense if you don't if you guys don't hear this. So I'll just tone it down a bit. Yeah.
Very simple demonstration of Go mod. This is how you manage packages in Go. Just going to get straight into it. So we have the package color. All this is going to do is contain some variables that we're going to use. So starting with colors.go.
Wait. Ooh. boy, the guy is a strong Windows user.
Now we're gonna
Real
go
strong.
and edit this in Notepad because it's quicker. Now we're just gonna go package, colors. Here's some constants I prepared earlier. Bang, color black, red, green, blue, and color reset and the values. Gonna save this. Now, very quickly, in here,
Excuse
magic
me.
function of the day, go mod init, and we're gonna go demo1 slash color.
Oh. 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 Do I do go mod in it? Mod in it, and how does this guy take it? It's like demo or color. Demo color. And did he specify the file name? Yes, file name is like quite similar. Uh, go mod tidy. Tidy then. Repository not found. Are you trying to search for my actual repository? That is shit, man. If you're really trying to do that.
Done. Go this main pattern here. Nice. Also gonna be clear. Now, what we're gonna
Oh, so all I had to do in server is that I go here, HTTP. Require module provider package. It's not a packet path. Go help. Too much documentation that I can not read. Okay, but still I'll give it a chance. Many commands apply to set of a package. No, too much. I go watch video.
gonna do is we're gonna come in here and go FMT print line, and we're gonna say hello demo1 is red. Now again, super important, we're gonna come in here and go mod init demo1 main. Now before we go mod tidy, something very quickly we have to do, we have to edit the go mod file. So we're going to come in here and we're going to open this with Notepad, and we're going to go replace demo1 slash color, and we're going to replace that with, actually we want to make sure it's the same as what we used, demo1 slash color.
Okay.
It's going to be color, keeping it the same. Now we've done this, I'm going to make sure this is the same also in our main function. Coming back in here.
Okay, it's too ancient for me. Like Madan video.
This video is about how go mod init. For example, the path I want to use is news.com events. And this path, news.com events, is a virtual path that doesn't exist physically. And this path where Go will look for files of our project or module. It's assumed that this path
Oh, you never know. Go mod. And what does GoSum do? Wow.
should be the path of the Git repository where the project would be pushed, and so it can be matched to a path in a file system, but it is not necessary. So, Go generated the Go mod file where this path was written, and this Go mod file declares the module path. This module path is the import path prefix for all packages with a Go file.
Okay, I made a main gets this shit.
And another Go file in the same directory. It'll be example.
Package names.
The name of the variables, an exception, and the Golang raises an exception, an error, and the message says that was found two packages, names in another Go and main in main Go in this folder, in this directory. And this error means that all files that are stored in the same directory must have the same package name. So let's rename the package name of the another Go file to the main. And let's run the code again. And I got on the hello world the name. What should I do to use it here? Nothing special, I just need to use the name variable in the main Go. Like this. Let's run the code again.
The fuck? Nice.
Any number of files in a directory are a single package. All symbols, variables, package in this print line is to import something from articles, for example. And also I need a file inside it. Let's say it'll be article1.go. And the package name will be just art. And let's define some variable. This time the article variable is declared in another package, and now I want to use this article variable in the main Go file. And to use it in the main package, I have to import the package that contains the article variable to the main package. In the import statement, I have to specify the path to the package that contains the article variable I want to use here. A package's import path is its module path joined with its subdirectory within the module. The module path is the path that is declared in the Go mod file. Let's copy the path and paste it here. And we have to use this module path as the prefix. And I want to focus your attention that this path in my particular case is not the same path of my project in the file system. And then I have to append the path with the name of the directory that contains the article variable.
Okay.
It's the articles directory. And this important string is quite a weird thing, because partially it's a virtual path that does not exist in my file system, and at the same time it's partially a real. So let's print line an empty string, and let's run the code. And this time we can see the following error message: imported and not used. Used is the articles Go file.
Okay, art.article. Okay.
So, to use the article variable where it was defined. And we can
Please don't complicate this thing for me. Mod and module name is HTTP, and if I go to server, I should just say HTTP / lib/utils. Finally. Can I just call utils dot uh, uh, handler dot hello. Why is this undefined? Whereas like I can just do check is handler module dot hello. Why is handler dot go the first func? Weird. Should I just rename this thing? Oh, okay, capital Z. Pretty weird, I would say. Go run server. Server. Yep. Really weird. Capitals. Come on, capitals. Really. So I'll just move this request breaker to handler. Yeah. I should probably say import and go to server.go and yeah, this even this p. Okay. It's a reference if I'm not wrong. Okay, got my first thing moving. I should go to server and probably remove this and tidy this thing up. Okay. Request breaker will be of handler dot okay p. But after breaking the request I can send in just connection instead of just me sending in past the connection. I just feel that I could do that. See, I'm sending in result here. Instead of result, I can just pipe this entire thing handler dot request breaker. Different thing. Let me think about it for a second. I don't feel quite confident about doing it right now because everything seems to be going fine. Yeah, that's a thing up for discussion. baby. So I get a connection. If I go to the official document for net, okay, now net in go. If I go to the official documentation, what they want me to do is take in a connection and handle a connection. Handle connection, go handle connection, go routines. I don't know shit about go connection, but taking a connection, I can just do handler dot handle connection. Okay, not defined yet, and yeah, this thing can suck it. What do I need to know? I just need buffer dot result. Yeah, I'll just reconfigure the thing. Come on, mate. Why do I need viewers? I'm just having fun here. Like, try to hang around or leave it. Fine. The core motto behind this stream is for me to keep a track on how dumb I am in programming. If I look in retrospect, I just want to feel good about me learning stuff. So yeah, buying viewers is not my thing. I'm really sorry. Really sorry. Uh, gel, yeah, gel. Sorry, buddy. Some other time, some other day. I don't know why I said some other time, but yeah, I think I made my point. So only result, I'm just doing a buffer.newRead.connection, and after getting the connection to the result, I'm just pushing it on to thing. So why can't I just take in connection as input? What is the type connection now? I don't know what type is connection of. What's the type connection? What is the type returned by this thing? Accept. Okay. Accept function accept TCP listener connection. What is the type connection interface? Ooh, here's the read B, write B connection. You can just create an interface and then try calling it. Can I just call connection for a bit? Or else can I handler ma? I'll just say func handle handle, yeah. I'll just say handle connection connection is of type I'll just import net here. Ooh, nice. What it returns end of the day is a string. It's an array of string. Okay, and I should probably steal this. This will be my first line of work. Yeah, and after getting in the result, I'll just call request breaker in this case, but can just take in the result which is of buffer.io, and I'll just do this shit. Okay, and hopefully I can take the dependency out of this one. I can tidy it up a bit later. uh, Sweet. uh, hmm ma. Buffer.io, I needed it there, so yeah. mm, do I need a return type? So far I don't find any use for it. If I just call the handler, it is doing all my duties. I can just move the function from there instead of making this complicated and getting request content. uh, I should probably write one more function where now makes sense out of it and send out a response. Okay. But let's just check if sorry man, let's just check if everything is behaving as it was behaving before. I just want yeah. And handler.go function triggering. Yeah. I can just do a debug. Okay, I'll just call local host 8080. Shouldn't be doing this, but whatever. F10. Yep, F10. I just want to look at request content in the last. So, nothing. I guess I'm getting something, but why should I even guess? I'm getting something. Yeah, I know I'm getting something, but what should I do with the thing? That's the next thing I should figure out. What do you say, folks? Yeah, first things first, I don't want to do, you know, this thing again and again. I just need a test or a function that I can call, okay, that can just send me a dummy request for my TCP port when it's available. So I can just, know that this function is doing this. Or do I write a script for it or make file for it? Make file makes more sense, but uh, whatever. Okay. What was I searching for? Porque Maria. Porque uma, porque eu sa ta 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 ta. Yeah, I can hear myself. I can adhere to my glory. Yep, let's see how I can just pull in interfaces from straight ahead play. So this is far better. I mean, I'm enjoying Go a bit. I wouldn't say I hate it now. Dial connects to the address on the named network. Okay. For TCP and UDP networks, the address as a host port. Okay, I can use dial to call a function. Yeah, seems so. Yeah, connection or error. I can use dial. I can use dial, but how will I use dial in this case? I mean, it's a for loop that will never end. Not sure. And I just accepted a request, and how do I send a response to the client? Hmm. Hmm. Well, let me search. HTTP server from scratch in Go. Okay. Oh, this guy went too far behind. Okay. Oh, the guy is not using Netatoma. HTTP handler function implementing server. What? I mean, I just need a net, not this. Okay, from scratch, I mean HTTP server from scratch, not make a HTTP service. Uh, Using GoNet. Mm-hmm. Syscalls. That's an interesting read. Net socket structure. Okay. Read length par new net pass request. Okay, that's a thoroughly lengthy thing which I scratch server. Simple single threaded server using system calls instead of net library. Uh, I see a net library here, so accept. Okay, no multi-thread. Writing web Go by example HTTP server create basic web server. Please don't. Please don't. Okay, but at least I know what this thing is doing. So handler function info, and I'll just write if this is the path http.handler function. Where is handler? I can just open up handler and see, net slash http. I can just open up http handler and get where is handler? And the handler. HTTP handle. Okay, handle function and handle register the handler for the given default server. Monks the documentation for monks explains the pattern. and here's the example for it. Okay, I need to write a response writer to get this thing up and running. I need a response writer. Yeah. Okay. Short water break. God dang. I just spilled all over my face. Porque Maria. Porque yo. Arigatou gozaimasu. Natsu motte shindeda. I don't know what I said, but that definitely sounded Japanese. Not actual Japanese, but just sounded like Japanese. So, sweet. Sweet Jesus, where was I? I go net what do I do? Hmm. Okay. Wait. Where was I? I can go here and say this is the connection that I'm accepting, and if it's null, uh, if it's nil, return. Okay, and error not equals to nil, error equals to nil, then enter in, and I'll just say d. Differ. What does differ do? I just found an example, but I don't think it's that helpful. But yeah, let's see. Why should I close the listener? Okay, for accept, handle, okay, handle connection, .NET connection. If differ, what does differ do in Go? You see too many differs. What does DEFER do in Golang? Delays the execution of the function until the surrounding functions finishes. The separate differ statement schedules FMT print allowed to be executed at the very end of the main function. Oh, that's why. Okay, I'm just making sure differ ln dot close. Okay, I'm just making sure if it at the end connection illa. Okay, if it screws up, it screws up. Okay, if I just want the connection to be here, not somewhere else. Sorry, my bad. It will try to end the connection every single time there. Yeah, handler part I already wrote. Connection dot write. I can do connection dot write. String splitter lens part to malformed requested method path equals to part 1. Yeah, let's go see handler. This is the main juice. Mm-hmm. New reader, I'll get read. Read string. Read string is something that I'm using read bytes. What's the difference between read byte? I mean, one article fucks the entire case up for me. Fuck you. Buffer.io read string and loop infinity. What does it do? Just give me. I mean, reader.read string. Read string. Okay, function read string by delimiter. Read string reads until the first occurrence of the delimiter and then returning the string that data. Okay, if the read string encounters an error before the read returns the data read before the error and error itself. Often in okay, read string error not equals if only if the return data does not end in delimiter. For sample use case, scanner may be more convenient. Okay. So, watashi wa boss this. Okay. Just give me a minute. I'm just trying to process the request line and read string. I get all the data right now, but you're telling me I can just do con dot write. I can instead of responding something, I can just sorry, server. Fuck you, server. Yeah, I just call this. Okay, no use case for you, baby. No return type for you too. I'll just, if I get till here, I'll just write something. Con dot write. And if I'm getting bytes, I should probably send bytes. Byte. Response will be of type string. Okay. If the request is get sorry, my bad, terminate section and test session, sorry, go run server, you run, and I should probably get GG. Fucking hell, what's the mistake that I'm doing, sir? I do it again. Why am I getting codes here? Cancel. Okay, I'm doing something wrong. That part I know. But where am I screwing up? I see. Talking to the moon. Mm, request content is equals to reader dot read ad string. Do I have reader here? I don't think I have reader here. Buffer.io will have reader here, no? And the thing that I get, yeah, not a reader. Result dot read string. Read string till I get G. I mean, get us header and where मेरा मैं मेरा मैं oh this will return error to error. Yeah, I know. Append request content comma header. Header type value of string is not used. What do you mean not used? Or println. Is this some what you are expecting? No. Ow, my bad. Or else I can just throw this thing in the garbage for a bit. I know I'm kind of fucking up the entire thing that I built, but I feel that I need to get something on screen at least, not an infinite request in the board. Okay. Yeah. If error not equals to nil, okay, then return. Okay, and header probably might be fucking hell. My leg, man. Okay. Um, mm, I'll just print header. Okay, print ln. Sorry, fmt dot println header. Now call get an HTTP. Real cool. And am I supposed to close this? Should I close? Okay, I guess I should close. Defer connection dot close. Defer connection close. Oh, I got GG, sir. I got GG, sir. I got good going, bro. Good going. Ooh. Ah, damn. Okay, let's make this async. No, I need all the data variables. Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm. Uh, mm-hmm. Mm, mm-hmm. Mm. I mean, ChatGPT is giving me enough info here, so I'm kind of wavered inside it. Not even kidding. But I find it fascinating that I can build stuff faster, but at the same time, I'm missing out opportunities on, how I used to explore a language before. Uh, um, Sorry. I think git add all commit. Um, just to why updates were rejected. Remote contents work that do not have locally. This is usually caused by another repository pushing to the same. If you want to integrate, use git pull. I don't remember adding something there. Acha. Um, git config pull. True. Okay. Uh, I gotta read me. Sorry. Git. My bad. Awesome. Uh, cool. Let's go see if shit is updated. Yeah, it looks updated to me. It looks good to me. Utils. And I should probably add debug bin. What's a bloody whole big debug binary? Yeah, looks like RMRF D. Okay, RM RF. Okay. Hmm. Git. Okay, git. Commit m removed debug binary. Hopefully, uh, fingers crossed. It's a binary. Git a push origin. Okay, and yeah. Now if I sync, shouldn't have that thing. Yeah, that was bullshit anyway. But whenever I interrupt this connection, and if I do a debug, if I ls, yep, should ignore this kind of file, but uh, uh, it'll create a binary. I gotta remove this. Some, not somehow. It's you just need to add what do you call that? Oh, people debate about this. It exists, then you have to add git ignore. How do I add git ignore? Open terminal, navigate to git repository, create a git ignore, touch git ignore, and the command succeed. Okay, touch git ignore. Uh, I ignore, and I go to git ignore and say avoid underscore underscore. Okay, and star, whatever that starts with. Underscore underscore debug, underscore underscore debug. If I go to the git repository right now, yeah, seems to be better. My ability to build products is like little bit better compared to what it was before. Yeah. I'm fine with this being here. I'm just not fine with that being there. Yeah, I gotta read a bit more about Go routines. Go routines will make more sense going forward. Yeah, hopefully. Um, I don't know how long will I take this project ahead, but I feel that doing this bit more is like if I'll find it fun. At the same time, I'm like nah, I'm not interested that much. I gotta write the request and response myself now, which is cool. But yeah, should probably see how the data flows in, and if I can get entire header, that means that I know how it's gonna behave. Uh, ah, I'll probably write some more of this thing, and after that, I'll just leave this as a stale repo. It's fun and not fun at the same time. It's not like everything is you know rainbows and clouds. Is that a term? Is that a term? I'm not really sure. Yeah, but it's 2 in the morning for me, so I feel a bit sleepy. We'll end the stream for now. I'll try to increase my capacity to stream longer so that I can irritate you more. But for now, that's all I can take in a day. So thanks again, JL, for suggesting me to get cheap viewers. But nah, I'm a lazy guy, dude. I'm a lazy guy. Leave me there. You're fine. See you. Bye bye. Tata.